Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Briggs, and your fun fact of the day is that three of the founding fathers, Jefferson, Monroe, and Adams, died on July 4th. Spooky. Um, so, I just wanted to go through some expectations for the unit test. If you've already completed the unit test and you get done with this video and you're like, holy crap, I didn't do any of this, just let me know, email me, and I'll reopen the test for you. But I basically just wanted to set an expectation um, for what it means to explain your reasoning for each calculation. So if the directions of a question say, explain your reasoning for each calculation, then you should have something on your paper that looks like this. So I've just got an example here of one that I pulled from the review Desmos, and I've already got it lined out so that this video can be shorter. But basically, we're given some information, so we put it down, and we did some other things with it. When we're going through, you have to provide reasoning, if it says to provide reasoning. So we start out with this 107. We know that this is a straight line, so we can find that this angle is 73 using linear pairs. So you would say linear pairs are supplementary, 107 and 73. Next thing is that we know that we have these two sides congruent, so this must be an isosceles triangle. You can't just say this one is 73 because this one's 73. You have to state that it's an isosceles triangle first. This symbol right here means then. So if you have two sides congruent, then it's an isosceles triangle. So then your third step would be if it's an isosceles triangle, then you have two congruent base angles. You can abbreviate as much as you'd like, but what you're saying actually has to be true and meaningful and make sense. So, and then listing those angle measures as well. So now we're here. We've got these two congruent. Next one, everybody's favorite, the triangle sum. That's the triangle angle sum theorem, saying that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So you just list your angles, 73, 73, and 34. So that's how we get this angle. Number 5, we get this angle by saying that vertical angles are congruent. It won't be sufficient to just say vertical angles. What about vertical angles? Vertical angles are congruent. So you'd say 34 and 34. Then you wouldn't be able to just jump right to triangle sum again, because we're told that these are perpendicular lines. You have to say first that perpendicular lines make right angles. So make sure that you do that first. So we have perpendicular lines, makes right angles. That gives us that angle measure is 90, and then we use triangle sum to find out what this angle is up here. So if you're asked on a test to find a missing angle and provide your reasoning for each calculation or each step, that's what the expectation is. Don't just say like, I used triangle sum and vertical angles. You have to step by step say what you did. If you've got any questions on this, I'll be available during your mini time today. And again, if you did the test already and you're like, then just email me. Sorry, I accidentally hit the pause button. So, hopefully that clears things up, and I'm looking forward to seeing your tests.